Hey guys, so we have here one of our durian fruits, and in this video I want to show you how we are actually opening one of these up. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the top part and the bottom. We're just going to slice those off here with a sharp knife. You see here that allows us to cut in here a little bit easier, and then we're going to go cut down one of those little valleys that you see all around the fruit. So we're basically cutting from the top all the way down to the bottom, and that allows us to remove one of those wedges that we're going to cut out here. So it takes quite a bit of effort to remove those because the fruit is kind of hard and also very spiky on the outside. So I do recommend to wear some sturdy gloves in order to do this. Otherwise, there's a good chance we're going to just injure our fingers over time as we're cutting the fruit here. So you can see eventually we're going to be able to remove the first wedge. Let's give it a little bit of help here on the bottom. Cut one more time, and then here we can now squeeze it out finally. And then here we can already see the edible part, and we're going to still remove some of the white portions, so the white stuff, that's what we cannot eat. We need to cut that away. And then we're doing one more slice here on the outside, on the shell, all the way from the top to the bottom. And that allows us then to open up here this wedge and have access here to the pod. See this here? There are the nice fleshy part, the yellow. That's what we want. So this is the really good durian. Cutting away more of that white stuff here. We don't need that. And then we're just going to flip it over, and we could drop it out here on the plate. This is what that looks like. So very good. Somewhere in there is probably going to be a seed, one or two seeds, depending on what variety of durian you have. You're going to have different size of seeds. So then we have here another wedge. So we're going to continue doing this over and over again until we have cut up the entire fruit. Just cut away the white stuff, and then get out the nice part that we want. Okay, so yeah, that was already it for this video. Hope you found this information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.